and the markets sink as expected. This is D7 here at Grok Trade. It's Tuesday, October 13th, 2015. And Spider's down 0.66%. The Diamond's down 0.31%. Nasdaq down 0.66%. Small caps, though, down the most, down 1.37%. Banks down 0.7%. Financials off by 0.56%. Silver up 0.2%. Gold up more, up 0.49%. Crude oil pulling back yet again, down 1.63%. US dollar up 0.3%. And the VIX fear indicator up more than 5%. Disclosure, I do own that. All right. Go here and take a look at the markets. And no, we're looking at stock called NGCG. Hey, just a little info for you here. Be looking for some news about my involvement with New Generation Consumer Group, which is a publicly traded company. It is an OTC or a pink sheet company. Going for pretty cheap here. Anyway, the chart that we're looking at on this, or what I was looking at a little while ago, was nice down channel, but we came to a big area of support, and that support goes way back here to the beginning of 2015 all the way across to this area of support. We challenged that support lately, came back up, but what's interesting here is we never did get a close near that area. We bounce quicker, so people are buying up that area of weakness. Good buy area. Every time we get there, people buy. And now it looks like we're getting ready to break out to the upside. And today it was up over 13%. At one point we were up over, I think, 25% in one day. So big run. And again, big news coming out about my involvement, personal involvement with the company tomorrow. That will be with a press release that will be made public. I think due out in the morning hours, but that's not what I'm here to talk about. Here to talk about the Spider, and this Spider is the ETF on the S&P 500. And here's the deal. I'm not sure that my call-outs, and let me add this. If I put this, see these triangles? Those triangles, those are my calls. I said short, and we went short, said short, we dropped, continue to drop. Here said long and went up. Well, you'll see dots on yours if you go to the Spider. However, people are telling me that mine are not showing up on the Spider chart. You'll see other people, but you're not seeing mine. And I need to get with TradingView, or you guys get with TradingView and say, why is D7s, because you hover over this, D-7, you can see that right here. Why is his not being registered for you guys to see? Because a lot of people follow me, and if you want to follow me, you can do so. But how do you find me? It's anybody's guess if you can't go to the Spider to find it. Because right now I'd be doing a short. I would be doing yet another call right here saying short. Why? Because we're extended to the upside, rolling over. And if you look here at the MACD, crossover on the MACD, negative histogram ticks, and we have a lower low, and we close near the day's low below an area that should have, let me see here. We're right at it, man. I thought we'd be below it, but see this area? So that was resistance coming across, acting as support. We're slightly under it, but we're right at the 200 mark. So we're right at support. It'd be very interesting to see if we'll break down from there. I'm short. I've got the VIX going, which is short. I'm long the VIX, meaning I'm short the market. If we continue down, I expect volatility to increase. So it'd be interesting to see if we do get that, or if we'll stay above this 200 or 2000. If we continue to stay above that, that could build a high base, and that should go bullish going into the future. And something on the weekly chart that I was showing you guys yesterday, on the weekly chart, I mean, we're just getting started here. We made a slightly higher high, but we're starting to go down here, but we're at a support level. The real question is, if we do go bullish remainder of this week, we have resistance right here to contend with, which would be a great area to actually sell into if we could get there. But I'm not sure that the markets are strong enough to even get there. And something that I want to show you also is on the monthly chart. Usually I don't do that on, intraday or at middle of the week video, but here's the monthly chart. Monthly chart went up, 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 went higher, but it stalled out at the 20-month moving average. That is why the markets are hanging up at this area at this time. That is a big area that it's contending with. It would not surprise me to see it actually on the monthly chart start to drift lower, so to see this actually drop through the remainder of October. But if that happens, in the weekly chart that means the weekly chart is just going to start to bleed out here. For that to happen in the next couple weeks here, be gnarly red candlesticks if that happens. And on the daily chart, that means we'll see a sizable drop with a big line of red candlesticks dropping. That's if that plays out. However, again on the daily, if we continue to stay high here, we build this high base, then that theory is out the window, because that should be a flying plateau, something to break out from. So if you like the video, like it. If you understand it and you think others could benefit, share it. Share the video, and always subscribe. Catch you guys later.